Despite the fact that a greater proportion of females, 60%, reported that fitness is high on their priority list than the proportion of males, 20%, males tended to exercise for a longer period of time in a week. One reason for this contradiction may be due to the fact that males, according to the data, exercise for a longer period of time when they do work out. However, social desirability bias should also be taken into account. When comparing the daily exercise graph to the weekly exercise graph, there should be at least 5 females exercising for 6 or more hours. However, there are 4. One reason for this could be that some participants may simply be giving answers that they believe results in a positive perception of them, or they may not be properly thinking through the question. This may be a result of the method by which the responses were collected. The surveys were answered in the form of an interview, and the participants were fellow classmates. Despite the anonymity of the results, participants may still feel the urge to present themselves in a positive light, resulting in discrepancies in data due to social desirability bias. In addition to this, participant bias may have played a role in the responses from both genders. Because of stereotypes and other factors, females who had a greater number respond with exercise as a high priority may have felt pressure to submit this answer to conform to body standards. However, males had little reports of fitness being a priority, meaning that this same bias could have affected their results in their attempts to conform to body standards built by their society. 80% of participants do a mixture of endurance, strength, flexibility, and cardio. Relating this to the amount of time spent exercising, if participants were to space different types of exercise on different days and designate them, participants may find greater efficiency and more time to exercise. Regarding the amount of time spent exercising by each participant, 80% of participants also said they exercise between 0 to 2 hours a day. However, these results could have been affected by the social desirability bias. If participants felt self-conscious about the amount of time they spend exercising, they could have decreased or increased their estimate to fit the answer.